Here's the real question. Do you know which cruisers can take you the farthest without needing to stop for fuel? In this video, we'll explore the top 10 longest range cruiser motorcycles of 2025. If you're the kind of rider who craves adventure and dreams of conquering the open road, then stick around because this is the list you don't want to miss. Are you ready to hit the highway? Let's ride. Number 10. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R BOSS, created by Suzuki, has been in production since 2006. With a 1,783 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a range of around 190 miles. This motorcycle stands out with its bold design and powerful engine, delivering a thrilling ride. While its range is slightly shorter than some other cruisers, the M109R offers raw power and speed that make it an exciting option for riders looking for adventure on the road. Number 9. The Triumph Rocket 3 GT, produced by Triumph, was first introduced in 2004. It features a massive 2,458 cubic centimeter inline triple engine, providing a range of about 200 miles. The Rocket 3 GT is one of the most powerful cruisers in the world, delivering unparalleled torque and performance. While its fuel efficiency isn't the best compared to others, the Rocket 3 GT's incredible power and riding experience make it a unique choice for those who want to conquer the road with extreme performance. Number 8. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special, produced by Harley-Davidson, has been in production since 2014. It features a 1,868 cubic centimeter Milwaukee 8 V-twin engine, offering a range of about 200 miles. The Street Glide Special is a perfect blend of style, performance, and comfort, designed for riders who want to travel long distances with all the modern amenities. With its advanced technology, stunning design, and smooth ride, the Street Glide Special is a top choice for those who crave both luxury and performance on the road. Number 7. The Moto Guzzi California Touring 1400, created by Moto Guzzi, was introduced in 2013. With a 1,380 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a range of about 200 miles. This Italian-made cruiser blends classic design with modern features, offering a comfortable and smooth ride for long-distance touring. The California Touring 1400 stands out for its unique styling, high-quality construction, and excellent handling, making it a great option for riders seeking a distinctive bike for long journeys. Number 6. The Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS, produced by Kawasaki, has been in production since 2009. Powered by a 1,700 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a range of about 230 miles. This cruiser is designed for touring with an emphasis on comfort, stability, and long-distance capability. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS is perfect for riders who want a reliable and powerful bike for long rides on the highway, combined with modern features and excellent handling. Number 5. The BMW K1600B, produced by BMW, made its debut in 2016. This bike features a 1,649 cubic centimeter inline-six engine, providing a range of about 220 miles. The K1600B combines power and comfort, offering an exciting ride for both short and long journeys. It's known for its cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and high-quality build, making it an excellent choice for those who want a mix of performance, luxury, and long-range capabilities. Number 4. The Yamaha StarVenture Transcontinental, created by Yamaha, was first introduced in 2018. Equipped with a 1,854 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a range of around 230 miles. This motorcycle is designed for those who love to ride long distances, offering a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its advanced technology and modern amenities. The StarVenture is a well-rounded cruiser that delivers both luxury and performance, making it perfect for extended touring. Number 3. The Indian Roadmaster Limited, produced by Indian Motorcycle, has been a part of the touring motorcycle scene since its introduction in 2015. With a 1,890 cubic centimeter Thunderstroke V-twin engine, this bike provides a range of about 230 miles, making it ideal for long road trips. Its high level of craftsmanship, combined with modern features and impressive power, ensures a comfortable and enjoyable ride for any rider seeking a premium touring experience. Number 2. The Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited, produced by Harley-Davidson, has been a legendary touring motorcycle since its introduction in 1965. Powered by a 1,868 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a range of about 230 miles, making it a strong contender for long-distance cruising. With its sleek design, comfort-oriented features, and advanced technology, this bike is built for those who want a reliable and powerful touring experience.
Number 1.
The Honda Goldwing DCT, produced by Honda, has been a symbol of luxury touring motorcycles since its debut in 1974. Featuring a 1,833 cubic centimeter flat-six engine and dual-clutch transmission, DCT, it's designed for long-distance travel and comfort. With a range of about 300 miles, this bike excels in providing riders with a smooth, powerful ride over extended distances. The Goldwing is perfect for those who want a combination of advanced technology, comfort, and reliability in their touring motorcycle.